Hey, so if you want to organize team knowledge, documents, and collaboration in one place, yeah, Confluence is one of the most popular tools for that. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Confluence in 2026. First thing, sign up and create your workspace. This is where all your team content will live. Next, learn about spaces. So, spaces are like folders for teams, projects, or departments. All right, create a page. This is where you write documents, notes, or guides. Now use the editor. You can add text, headings, images, tables, and more. Next, insert macros. So you can add things like tables of contents, task lists, or embeds. All right, organize your pages. Create a structure with parent and child pages. And yeah, share your page. Invite teammates, leave comments, and collaborate in real time. Finally, use search. So you can quickly find any document across your workspace. So that's how you use Confluence. Once you get used to it, managing team knowledge becomes simple and organized.